So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to follow a creator in LinkedIn. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the LinkedIn app downloaded from your Google Play Store or App Store, and make sure you have logged into your account. So let's open it. This is my home page. You can see a lot of feeds here, or you can even search the name of creators. I'll search the UK travel industry. So here I have seen you can join them, and scroll down, there is a group admin and you can follow him. So you can even select the notification you want from him, post or not. So I don't want him, so I will click on off button, and here you can see you will not receive any notification about blah blah. So that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.